Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique, and today I'm going to do a little Dollar Tree shop with me. I'm looking for some fall accessories so that I can do a little DIY project, and this is a new Dollar Tree that opened up close by my house, so I'm trying to see what they have. So yeah, stay tuned. The first thing I grabbed was some disinfectant wipes because I haven't been able to find any anywhere. Okay, so now I'm headed to the fall decor section. Oh, where to begin? So, oh, okay. I was around each section. So, look at all the pretty colors. Okay, oh, and they have the little scarecrows. Cuters. Oh, they have like little stacks of hay. I was thinking if I should put like hay on my porch this year. I might do like a porch makeover or show my porch makeover. I usually don't do too much. Let's see, they have autumn blessings, these little signs. These are cute. But I'm not a big traditional fall color type of person. Look at these. Those are weird. Those are very cool for Halloween. I feel like I need to get one of these because we will be carving pumpkins. Or should I? I shouldn't do it long. A little fuzzy tip.
That's cute. I wish they had like the gold ones in a smaller size. That's too big for what I want to use it for.
Okay, y'all, so I'm going to show you my little Dollar Tree DIY. So you just saw me do my little Dollar Tree shop with me. And I'm going to show you my little DIY idea for fall. So I got this tray, and excuse the mess. I got this tray from Home Goods. Look, I haven't even taken the tag off of it. Cut that off. So what I'm going to do first, actually, I need to clean these off. Well, yeah, this is how the first one turned out. I might have to take some stuff out. But now we're just gonna fill up the large one. And again, I just have these small pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some baby pumpkins. And I'm just working on the second large dome. And all I've done is, again, put in the small pumpkins and just layer it with the faux flowers. And I'm just going to continue to do that until it's full. I need some more. Let's see. Ooh. That ain't work out. Let's try again. Yeah, I hear Oreo in there when he's laughing. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that's kind of how it turned out. And I can just put my little candle right here that's shaped like a pumpkin. Okay, so this is how the display turned out, and I think it looks gorgeous, very fallish. Oh, I love it. A little close up. I love it. And I can just light my little candle. And I got this candle from Target. It's in the scent of bourbon pumpkin. Oh, that is so cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this so cute or is it just me? I absolutely love the vibe. I need to fix that pillow, but y'all get it. It's so cute. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if you liked this video. If you didn't, tell me about myself down in the comment section. Please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Until next week, peace out.